Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a clear, high-resolution photo and a reference outfit that matches pose and lighting. Once done, duplicate the background layer so you can work non-destructively. Make a quick mask around the torso and limbs to isolate clothing areas. This prevents spillover when recoloring or replacing fabric. You should also set up a separate layer for pattern or texture overlay. These steps save time later and let you experiment without breaking the original image. Now replace the fabric by painting base color on a new layer and applying the chosen texture or pattern above it. Use warp or liquefy to conform the fabric to contours. That's how you sell realistic fit. Once the texture sits correctly, change blending mode and opacity to integrate highlights and shadows. Then refine seams and edges with a small, soft brush, feathering 1 to 3 pixels. Make sure to preserve natural creases and seams so the garment reads as physical cloth. Finish by matching the clothing to the scene's lighting. Use curves and color balance to align contrast and temperature. Once done, paint subtle shadow and highlight layers clipped to the clothing group to reinforce depth and fold behavior. Check edges and add hair or body overlap where needed so the garment looks worn, not pasted on. If colors look off, reduce saturation slightly and nudge midtones. Troubleshooting tip: if edges glow or look cut out, feather the mask and sample nearby colors to paint a one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.